Hi, I'm Joe Grueter. Welcome to another Grueter construction blog. And we're here at the 1911 house on Madison in Pasadena. It's a beautiful jewelry box of a house, and we're doing a period sensitive kitchen and bathroom and TV room remodel. And we've had a little downtime working on a lot of details on the kitchen and so on, but I wanted to get you in here now. It's kind of dusty, it's not perfect, but I wanted you to see what it looks like before we paint the kitchen. So let's walk around, let's get to work and see where we are now. Here in the bathroom, the tile work is done. It's just beautiful. Again, it's dusty, but it's looking really beautiful. So come on in the bathroom here and take a peek. And we've got, as I said before, you know, we're going with everything, the old style, the period. This was built in 1911, this house was. So we're staying true to that design, and these are all elements you would see in a 1911 house. And so all the tile that we have in here, this tile on the wall is called the wainscot, and we have a top piece, and we have a nice black deco, and it's all beautiful. And as my tile guy Tony pointed out earlier, he even did some really custom tiles back in that corner where you can hardly see it. They're a little dusty. They got a little grout sticking to them, but that's all going to be cleaned up. All this is going to be painted next week. We have a painting company coming in here, and Affinity Painting, a large painting company, and they're going to come in here with a crew and get things painted nicely. And they spray on the paint on the wood trim. That makes it look just really even, and on the walls they're going to roll it on so it's really deep into the plaster. And here we have a custom medicine cabinet. This will be painted. Once it's all painted, we'll get the mirror in the door, and we have the old style pedestal sink here, and that's a thing of beauty. The electrical hasn't been installed. We've got just some basic switches for right now, but the plates aren't on because in different places where the electrical goes in the wall, we need to paint it first. And here's a window. One of the things the architect asked for us to do is to match the look of the medicine cabinet to the window. So the medicine cabinet will have just a magnetic catch and a little handle to open it up, which will be a little different than this, but it's going to be this, you know, have the similar look. And we've got light fixtures to put in. Right now it's just a bulb there. So obviously the toilet will have a seat on it, but you know, we have a very old school looking toilet here. And look at the beautiful layout on the floor. That's just fantastic. The stone around the perimeter here is a Carrara, and it is a cut Carrara stone. So it's just beautiful here. And we have an 1.5 inch step down into the shower here. So we have no traditional shower dam to step over, but there is a drop. This entire floor in the bathroom slightly leans towards a shower. So you can walk out wet and the water's still going to flow towards the drain in the shower. And the shower head and the handheld is over here on this side. And I'm going to open this door the other way here. Got a little towel bar on the outside. And what I try to do on all my shower doors is I try not to put the stops and the rain guards and all that because we construct the shower in such a way that the water's not going to be flying out through the edges, and I don't like the catches on the bottom because they drag on the floor and so on. So everything's freestanding glass with a parting bead between it, and we just don't worry about any water getting through those cracks because, like I said, the floor flows into the shower here. And here's we've done this different. We've got the hot and cold and the valves for the shower over here where you can turn them on from a distance, and then the shower head and the handhelds on the other side. And here we have a soap niche here with a stone, more Carrara marble for a soap shelf here. Most people put this on the bottom, but that's what you get with Grueter Construction. It's a total custom home, and you can do things the way you want. So here the soap niche is the shower shelf. The soap shelf is much higher here. You'll keep the shampoo bottles here. And again, the deco and the wainscot molding, tile molding flow all the way through here, and this goes all the way up to the ceiling. So it's just a beautiful shower. And the same beehive tile pattern flows into here. So this is not a pattern that is bought when you buy the tile. This tile is bought in 12-inch sheets, and it's all put together. And once it's all in, then the architect and the tile guy work together on the pattern, and they pick it out, and he cuts out the tiles to put in the block ones. And that's how you get this unique pattern. In other words, it's a custom pattern. You can't buy this pattern. This is created right here on the job. So that's where we're at on this beautiful bathroom. We have an exhaust fan up there. This is both an exhaust fan and a heater. And there'll be a light inside and outside the shower and the ceiling. And we duplicated the old style windowsills. We duplicated that look, and we ran it underneath the window in the medicine cabinet here. So I'm very happy with this, and I can't wait to show it to you. Once it's all painted, the electrical is put in, everything plumbing-wise. Well, right now the plumbing's in, but once it's painted and all polished up, it'll be fun to show off again. Okay, so walking out of the bathroom here in the hallway, we have these cabinets here. There was an extra space and niche in this wall, so we were able to put these beautiful pantry cabinets. If I can open the door here enough, we have a completely, a little bit more than 2 foot deep cabinet here, lots of storage, lots of beautiful slide out drawers, and these are all pre-finished dovetail drawers. You can see the nice dovetail on the edge here, the joinery. And so these will all have handles on it once they're painted. The inside doesn't need to be painted. It's all pre-finished. All these shelves are pre-finished. And so this is all ready to go. And then we have another set of doors here for more storage. And we have the little shelves. And once we go into the kitchen, I'll show you what's behind these. There's one more door over there. But I think we'll walk in the kitchen and take a peek at that now. So here we are in the kitchen. We're very excited about this. Again, I wanted you to see it at this point. Everything's in the raw. It's not painted yet. And so we have the beautiful onyx countertops on, and these have been etched. And with stone, you have many different ways to etch it. They torch it and the stone pops off, or they sandblast it. But whatever you do to remove the soft grain, it's like wood, you remove the soft grain of the stone and the harder parts are left behind. So this has a nice, very nice, smooth, stippled, textured feel to it and look to it. And so this black onyx countertop goes all the way around here. It'll be on both sides of the stove. And the owners are going to reuse their antique stove. It's a beautiful old time, I believe it's an O'Keefe and Merritt, but I'm not 100% sure on that. There's just a lot of those around Pasadena. So, but here the cabinets are all ready to be painted. And again, these are pre-finished inside. And up here, there's the hood duct is going to be running through here to outside, and that'll be covered up with pre-finished wood up there. But these cabinets are all going to have nice little magnetic catches on them. And this is all done in the old school way. These are not spring-loaded hinges or European hinges you see on a lot of cabinets. These are custom made, and they wanted the old look. So these have the decorative satin nickel ball hinges. They are called ball hinges because on the top and bottom they have these nice balls. It's very typical to the old homes. The pedestrian doors have the same types of hinges. So, and again, we have the tile is all done here with a deco running through. And this custom hood was made. This is a Zephyr hood, and it still has this plastic on it. It hasn't been taken off yet, but this is just the hood structure and the buttons and the fan inside, but it has no outside because this is a raw hood that we add our own custom wood facade to the outside, so it ties in with the rest of the cabinets. So that'll paint up beautifully, and we have a nice, very subtle crown molding going all the way around. It's not a traditional crown, it's just like a 1x6, which is very in keeping with the style of the home, and it'll be a nice look once it's painted, a nice contrasting color to the ceiling and so on. And it goes with our old style window casing that I have talked about before. And these are all new windows, so these windows will all be painted, and the hardware will then be installed after the painting. And so we have the kitchen sink in, and I hope the plumber's got the drain in. Oh good, he does. And the garbage disposal is all ready to go there. And they've decided not to have the counter button for the garbage disposal, which is kind of a modern thing. So the garbage disposal will have to be turned on over from a switch. And this will be their dishwasher. And again, all these soft close drawers, the dovetail, pre-finished maple with the dovetail on the corners, the cabinetry there, and they're soft closing, so they get to there and they just slowly go in. And over here's the other side of the hallway cabinet that I was showing you. So here on the kitchen side, it's kind of neat because these shelves are accessible from both sides. That's kind of neat. And it's a kitchen broom closet, and she'll be able to keep some cleaning solvents up here, and a broom or a vacuum or what you have there. And so that's pretty exciting. And I had shown you over here before. We haven't made any progress on this because we've been waiting for cabinet details, but we do have this entertainment center cabinet in here, and there'll be a large TV up here, and behind me here on the south wall they'll have a nice couch to watch the TV, and they'll have end tables and so on. And I was just commenting to Corey earlier when we were outside setting up how these homeowners, they don't like to have screens, and upstairs they have one of their windows, huge 4 foot by 4 foot window just open to the outside, and it's so wonderful, the California air coming in. It doesn't even feel hot, and I think we have a 90 degree temperature day today, and it just, under these trees in this large house, it just doesn't feel hot. But all these casement windows open up completely without screens. We bought them with screens. Screens are going to be stored in the basement. They can put them on if they want, but right now it's just all nicely open. All the molding is ready to be painted. You'll notice the base molding is a large curved top base molding that we had custom made to match what's inside the existing home. So that's all pretty exciting. And I think that we have another door leading out to the backyard. We'll do a concrete deck out there later. And yeah, and if you want to walk down in the basement, we can see the water heater that's installed down there. And if you take a look at the earlier videos on this project, there's a lot of very low hanging head bumper pipes down there, and we brought that up all tight. And my project today is to see if I can find a good place to put my Grueter Construction sticker, built by Grueter Construction label someplace. But why don't we head downstairs, Corey, and just take a look at that, show off the nice recirculating tankless water heater. Okay, so we're down in the basement now, and I think early on we talked about the electrical panel that was on the outside of the house where we now have a door. And the homeowner never liked the way that the high tension lines came over across his yard down to the house. So what we did is we had the electric company, Southern California Edison, relocate the electrical panel to the garage. And it's on the outside of the garage now. And from the garage we went underground to the house. And so the house main panel, there's two main panels now, one in the garage for the electrical in the garage and one in the house for all the electrical. And they like this because it's not outside. If you have a electrical outage during a power storm, you don't need to go out in the rain, you just come down in your basement. So this is their new panel, and all the wires are flowing in from different places in the house, and everything's in here. And one of the things we will be doing is marking each one of these so that they know what part of the house they go to and so on. And I'm not sure if we'll be building a little wood surround for the top to cover all these electrical lines and so on, but we are in a basement, and I think we're allowed to have this. I'll have to talk to my electrician, see if it needs to be inside a conduit or just a wood surround. But he has them all, you can see the names on it. He has each line marked what they go to and so on. And so then over here, let me move this basket out of the way. We have a brand new water heater that we exhausted to outside, and this is a recirculating water heater. So all of the new components, the bathroom and the kitchen, and I think a bathroom that's upstairs here, when you turn on the water on, you'll get immediate hot water, because this tankless water heater is at a periodic time, I think like 4 or 5 times a day, the water is circulated in the pipes to keep it always hot. And and it's vented to the outside. There's 2 vents. One brings in fresh air for it to use, and the other exhausts the burnt gas, and so that way it doesn't pollute the indoors. And yeah, so it's a nice new tankless, and Keith Lee Plumbing is our plumber, and this tankless water heater could actually facilitate a house. This house has 3 bathrooms, and I think this is capable of doing a house with a laundry, 5 bathrooms, and a kitchen. So this is a very efficient tankless water heater, and it'll really do the job. And you'll also notice that now all these pipes are up at the ceiling. When we first started this job, that was one of the requests for the homeowner, is to get all the pipes up out of the way, because they were head knockers and so on. So we put all the pipes up out of the way. Even some of the pipes in the water heater we're going to redo a little bit different, just to make it look better and meet the requests of the homeowner. And they have a pre-existing sink down here and so on, the washer and dryer in the basement. But that's new. Pipes are up higher, new electrical panel, and we're going to do some mediocre painting down here, and then the homeowner will put all their stuff back away and so on. But the homeowner loved it because it was a chance for them to go through all their old stuff and get rid of a lot of stuff, they said, so that was great. So I think that pretty much so winds up our blog for today. I'm glad that we got a chance to look at it before we're painted. We'll get back in a couple weeks when it's painted and we have all the electrical in and everything done. So again, thank you for watching a Grueter construction video. Go ahead and mark like and subscribe if you wish to see more and support our effort to make better videos and work with our great photographer, Corey. Thanks again. Bye-bye.